Hey everybody, welcome back. So I'm in Bed Bath & Beyond and I wanted to come and see what they put in place of the Christmas decor. So I stopped right here. They have a lot of organization stuff over here. First things I see is this cosmetic organizer for $14.99. It's for lipsticks. It's kind of cute because it has the marble print on it. Look at this, a palette organizer. And it is marble. It's really heavy. Kind of nice. That one, that's also cosmetic. These are $19.99. Two-tier organizer, fingernail polish, lipsticks, mascara. This one, it says vanity. And then there's a vanity mirror. It comes with a little marble stand. And it has a thing on the back for you to hold it, kind of like a pop socket. Stacking mesh drawers. I don't see a price on that one though. Cute little laundry baskets. And I think these are $19.99. They have that narrow bath storage cart. I do apologize, you guys. It looks like they're still filling up spaces, so I don't see prices on some of it. Right there. Wall shelf, that's $39.99. It's actually really nice. I like that. And it has the glass on the top one. Then you can hang towels on that bottom. Gotta get through here. Those little bins, $14.99. Matching laundry baskets right there for $31.99. Look at this. Marmalade. Little tassel pom-pom thing is cute, and it has a top on there. That's $59. What is this? That is so cute. A little basket that looks like a lion. That's $30. And there's also that basket down there for $50. It looks like an elephant. You have shoe racks right here for $29. This one can go on the door. Holds 30 pairs of shoes. Down there you have that one. Low stackable shelf with 3 tiers for $40. The shoes under, oh, that's the thing that can go under the bed for $9.99. If you want to just store away some of your shoes. Not bad. Look at this. $14.99 shoe slots. So instead of your shoes taking up space like that, it takes up less space if you just stack those like that. Swing front storage bins. Oh, these are like the ones in my closet that I got from the Container Store. A set of 6 for $20. Okay. The only thing is these are like collapsible. Mine's are like the hard plastic, but I like these. I don't know, if I would have saw these, maybe I would have got these. You have these baskets right here, $5.99. The smaller ones are $3.99. I like the clear. These are $25. That one is $37. $9.99. The bigger one is $12.99. And then you have these right here. There's some cube organizers. The 3 cube is $25 and the 6 cube is $35. Or you can have this 3-tier shelf for $29. Non-skid turntable, 12 inches for $7.19. Non-skid shelf organizer. This will be good for the pantry for you to put your seasonings on. $7.19. Cabinet packet organizer for your packets, or you can use this for your face mask. $14.99. Cabinet bins. These are $15. I love the clear hard plastic on those, and they're stackable. So they have a bunch of different things. The drawer organizer, cabinet bin. These are for boxes, like small boxes. Sink mat, $8. The beverage organizer is $16.99. They have these with a little lip that you can pull out of the fridge for $15. And then here's a cabinet turntable. Does it spin? Yep. That's kind of cool, and it has the handles on it. Expandable mesh cabinet shelf is $19. The 2-tier mesh spice rack is $15. Organizer racks is $16.99. And then they have this style. The big one is $7.99, or the small one is $7. Under sink mat, $12.99. And this stuff on this front table, I don't see a price on it, but it's just some more of these baskets, and this pillow is here. And they do have an under sink storage drawer for $19.99. They also have these stacking drawers right here. The medium size is $17.99. Oh, this is a cool little wall decor for $9.99. Oh, look at this. Is this a Harry Potter Infinity gift box? Is this like a... I don't know. It's cute. Whatever it is. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. So it's just one box, but it just keeps folding over and over. Look at that. So that's the back. And then I don't know how you open it. There's little compartments. Kind of like an advent calendar. But do you see that? It just kept opening. That's really cool. And those are $23.99. Ooh, I'm so tempted. The holiday quilt sets are 50% off. So they were $129 or $149. Now they're $74. See, I would get something like this and just keep it till next year. Oh, these are some nice UGG baskets. Right here, I like this one. Let me see. Square basket, $30 for that. I think that might be $29. And they have this style down here. The little pom-poms. So each one of the big baskets has something to match it down here. And then you have these sets over here. This is $25. You have this one. That is really heavy for it to be a wastebasket, but this one is pretty. Oh, that's heavy too. Oh, that would make me nervous. And I think it can break. $25, but it's pretty. You have all the stuff to match it. The wastebasket is $25. Lotion dispenser was $12. This is $9. That's $9. And this tray right here is $15. Isn't that pretty? Or you could get this set with the words on it. And that pink one up there has this stuff. They also have these pop containers for $12.99. The bigger one is $13 and this one is $17. Or you can get this 4-piece set right here for $20. 4-piece mini set. These are $16.99. Cereal dispenser is $20. And then this one, like for your flour or sugar, that's $20. And then this 10-piece set is $100. Rubbermaid sets, the 38-piece is $30. And then you have this set up here, leak-proof 22-piece for $30. They're both $30. So it just depends on if you want to get that set or the one with the flex and seal lids. 3-drawer organizer right here is, I think that's $25. Yeah, $25. Here's another kind of palette organizer for $8. Divided cups. Oh, somebody left their basket. Let's see. Divided bin. Oh, that's not bad. For like under the sink or whatever. Expandable cosmetic organizer. Oh, okay. So it expands right there. And it looks like they have lipsticks, makeup brushes, compacts. And this is $15. And the shower corner baskets are $25. with the suction cups to put them up. Okay, this is a fancy trash can, dual compartment step can called Simple Human. That's crazy. I've never even heard of that. And it looks like this. It must be good because it's $200. 15-gallon recycling can. Wow, I'll have to look up this to see what that's about. Okay, I just went in a full circle. There is a lot of stuff on sale. I saw 20% off, 50% off. It looks like a lot of the stuff was just here from Christmas and they're just getting rid of it. So I didn't really see too many new things, but except for all the like organization stuff. So I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this quick walkthrough and I'll talk to you real soon. Okay, bye.